Ka Sarkar Jylla Meghalaya kala pynlut arp khandai point ar saw klur tingka ban ïakhun ka khlam COVID-19 hapdeng snem mang tingka rajar arphuai hado rajar arphuar. Haba pentip yakani haba keren hakasngi sedang ke dorbar mang tingka ke yang dorbar tawan ke Jylla Meghalaya men hakasaw tarik uleber rajar arphuar ulat ke Jylla Meghalaya Satya Pal Malik ula ong baka Chief Minister Secretariat kala shimshibun kisin jamling baka Chief Minister Special Development Fund but Chief Minister Special Grant hapdeng snem mang tingka rajar arphuai hado rajar arphuar. Kani ka kentup ya ka jingerap basan pho hajar tingka shaki bahyeng jong ki bala khlat na ka jingsha khata ka khlam COVID-19 na do ka shitarik uyayong hajar arphuai.
Chief Minister's Secretariat. The Chief Minister's Secretariat has taken a number of initiatives under Chief Minister's Special Development Fund and Chief Minister's Special Grant during the financial year 21-22. Under the Chief Minister's Special Grant, a total of 29.24 crore was spent on expenditure relating to COVID-19 for the year 21-22 as on January 22. This includes an assistance of 5 lakh as a one-time ex gratia payment to the next of kin of those who lost their lives due to COVID-19 with effect from April 1st, 21. Further, 4.7 crore was spent under the CMSG for payment of provision kits for those under home quarantine and for community COVID management teams.